Together with the Belgian government, with scientists and industrial partners, we are currently creating new flat oyster reefs, 30 kilometers off the Belgian coast in front of Ostend. These reefs will be able to sustain themselves without any human intervention in the future. Oyster reefs are very important. They are ecosystem engineers, as we call them. They offer a wide range of important ecosystem services, such as purifying the water, offering breeding and feeding grounds for other species, for fish. They offer also shelter, and they stabilize the seabed. Before 1850, there were a lot of oyster reefs in the North Sea and also in the European waters. However, due to human activities like overfishing and pollution, and due to a parasite called Bonamia, these oyster reefs have disappeared. And that is why it is so important to bring them back.
We first pinpointed the optimum location, which is a gravel bed around 30 kilometers offshore. There is a shipwreck that is surrounded by the gravel beds, and it has the perfect seabed and environmental conditions for the oysters to grow. So for the second phase, we went to a hatchery and we let larvae settle on biodegradable substrates. And after these larvae have settled, we are transporting the substrates to site, carrying around 200,000 larvae. And after we install these at the seabed, the substrates will disappear after around 10 years and the oysters will form a reef on their own. We expect roughly 30,000 of these larvae to reach adulthood, and after growing and reproducing, they will attract other marine organisms and they will establish a self-sustaining ecosystem without any need of further human help. With the larvae now in place, we plan to launch an extensive monitoring campaign to track the reef development. And when the results meet our expectations, we plan to do this approach in other locations, such as around offshore monopiles or on submarine cables that we install.